Kigeranio gya KCPE ni kiambiriirie muthenya wa umuthi ceceni-ini cia igeranio 28,316 kuri Arutwo makiria ma mirioni imwe na ngiri magana meri maragerekwo kabiru thutha wa guthoma miaka 8 thukuru-ini cia muthingi. Kiroko gya tene maabitha nene thirikari-ini na maabitha githomo manyagite icigo-ini itiganite maitika kwambika mihang'o ino na kuhingura thito cia igeranio ici na gucoka kuitwara mathukuru-ini rungu rwa ugitiri munene. Akiaria ari mwena wa Kakamega, Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha ni arutire mukana muhiu kuri arutani ona kana mundu wothe ukugeria gukungia wara na kunyita itemi hari wici wa igeranio.
But there's a group of teachers whom we are watching who really want to confuse our children.
Na hari ugitiri, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i uria uma mwena wa Yata Machakos ni akinyiririe ugitiri wa igeranio na wa Arutwo ni mugacirithie na maricemba kung'ethanira na mundu wothe ukugeria guthoga mihang'o ya igeranio.
All is well across the country, and we are now all focused on ensuring that we do this for our children, and we'll spend time moving around. I know my colleague, the Minister for Education, is in Kakamega today.
We have availed helicopters, we have availed enough physical security, and we have converged the said candidates in a few schools, including high schools.
Guku Nairobi, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Karanja Kibisho niwe otongoririe mihang'o ino akihingura thito ya igeranio mwena wa Westlands agikinyiriria uge wa Matiang'i wigi ugitiri na kwiranira gutire murutwo utagwika kigeranio giake.
The entire of the Ministry of Education there, everybody has to marshal all their energy, stop everything else so that we can keep away these cheats who would want to tamper with the exams of our kids.
Maundu mekuhanaga oro mwena wa Naikuru, murugamiriri wa mihang'o ya thirikari gitaro-ini kia Rift Valley Mohamed Maalim akiuga arutwo aria marathamitio kuma thukuru-ini ingi kumana na uhaguku wa ugitiri kuria mari ni matangikirwo na makaheo irio na kundu gwa gukoma.
Kaunti ya Baringo ni shule 7 ambayo watoto imetulazimu kuwapeleka sehemu nyingine kwenda kufanya mitihani yao. Na icigo-ini iria ikoretwo igumiirwo ni ngahiha, thirikari ni itumite maabitha aingi a ugitiri kuma honge itiganite niguo gutigirira arutwo matikwagagio no na aria mari mathibitari-ini no magire na mweke wa gwika kigeranio giki.
We are doing for counties like Baringo is to ensure that at the school itself there is enhanced security in each of the schools.
Baada ya furugu kushuhudiwa, imebidi tuwachukue watoto wetu ambaye ni 40 candidates kutoka Kasiela na Sinoni na tumewapeleka katika shule ya upili ya Mushongoi.
Places where vehicles cannot reach, KDF will be able to lift this exam. And I think it's doing that this morning.
Jera-ini ya Naivasha, oho mugwanja aria maratungata kioho kia maisha, onao ni magiire na kanya ga gwika kigeranio giki, undu uria makenereire na kuga, oho aingi mari na nyota wa githomo.
Ninatarajia kwamba nipata alama zaidi ya 270 hivi, ngalau sijawahi kufanya.
Maabitha borithi makiria ma 45,000 nio maragacirithio ugitiri wa kigeranio giki guothe bururi-ini na kuri na arugamiriri igeranio nio invigilators 200 aria megukorwo magitwarithia mihang'o ino nginyagia kigeranio giki gitirihwo muthenya wa gatatu. Arutwo mirioni imwe na ngiri magana meri guothe bururi-ini ni mambiriirie gwika kigeranio kiao gia KCPE kuria thirikari itumite maabitha 45,000 kundu gutiganite niguo gukorwo makigacirithia ugitiri hindi ya igeranio na makiria icigo-ini iria ikoretwo ikigumirwo ni ngahiha. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma thukuru-ini wa St George's kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.